Hi, this is Pearson Education, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the drawing tool inside of Mastering Chemistry. You may not know, but we actually try to replicate what a student would do on pen and paper, on homework, and on exams by using a free-form drawing tool and doing multi-step mechanisms. We actually have over 600 mechanisms represented inside of Mastering Chemistry, over 120 different tutorials. And all of these were actually developed by organic chemists. We've actually had over 350 organic chemistry professors involved in identifying some of the toughest topics in organic and helping to develop these problems in tutorials. So let's take a look at this particular mechanism where we're working with benzene and derivatives. And as you can see, I'm looking at this item now, and I can do certain things. I can blow it up. I can quickly minimize it, depending on how I want to work with the actual items. And one of the things I'm going to do right now is I'm going to quickly do some copying and pasting of items so that I can make it my work a little quicker. So the first thing I can do a select tool. I can just copy and paste this, hit Control C, and come over, hit Control V, hold the Shift button, and just move it right where I want it, right there. Perfect. Now that I have it where I want it, I'll do a little work. So let's go ahead and move some electrons. And I want to look at this one a little bit closer, so I'm going to blow that up for me. And now we'll go work on the other one over here. And again, I'm going to copy and paste. Actually, I still have that copy and paste saved, so I can actually come over and just do the same thing as before. And move that right on over. And now we can go work on that particular item. And it is a forgiving tool, so I can easily erase and step back from where I was a moment ago. Then I can do things like this. And then we'll move down to our next area. Let's see how we're doing. And I'm going to go ahead and this time I'm going to copy, go back up and click, and we'll copy this. And again, we'll move that down right over here, and we'll start working. And this time I'm going to go ahead and submit it without actually completing it, so you can see what the system will do is, first thing you notice, it says it's incorrect, try again, but no points were deducted. So that's something that I know a lot of students will get frustrated with often with other mechanisms or other tools, is that when they answer it incorrectly, they actually will get points deducted. But this will actually tell you that at least one atom, C1 of CC, is outside any rectangle. All atoms should be within rectangles. So I can see right here, obviously I had a little mistake. Let's get rid of that. And by hitting the erase tool, there we go. And now that's gone. And let's try submitting one more time. So now you notice the wrong answer feedback actually changes, and it is specific to what's actually happening inside the drawing tool. So even with something that's a multi-step like this, the system can really figure out exactly what's going wrong with this, the student, or where they're having their misconceptions, and we're going to try to get them corrected and moving in the right direction. So this tells them to please follow the Grossman rule. Okay, and so we can go back up and we can start addressing where we've made some mistakes. And we can continue to finish our tool here. Actually, and we'll throw a bond there. And an important thing to know here is that I'm actually not an organic chemist, and I have not actually ever completed an organic chemistry class. But the tool is so simple that even somebody like myself with limited knowledge of the organic chemistry can actually perform the functions of the drawing tool itself. And the first thing we'll see now is, as I added items, there is an atom that has an invalid valence. So now I'll come back and try to fix that area. So real quickly, I'm going to fix this. And then I'm going to resubmit and see where we're at now. And again, notice the feedback that I'm getting and how I'm getting very specific wrong answer feedback to direct me to how to correct the mistakes that I am making inside of this drawing tool. Make a quick change here. Also notice that there's information inside here that will also help the student. They can come in here and see what the products which should look like. They can actually manipulate it with the 3D tool, put it where they would like it, things like that. They can zoom out, and then we'll come back and submit one more time. And we've actually got it correct, and you can see now how we can go through a multi-step mechanism really quickly inside of our organic chemistry drawing tool. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please contact your Pearson rep or technology specialist for more information. Have a great day.